Hello students, I am Aprupa, your science teacher. Today we will study food and health. Okay, so to make the chapter easy for you, I have divided this chapter into three different parts. The first being nutrients, the second part will cover balanced diet and junk food, and the third part will cover diseases. I'll make three different videos for each part for you to understand. In this video, we will study about nutrients. After we finish this video, you would have the knowledge about what are nutrients, what are the different types of nutrients, and what are the main sources of food from which we get these nutrients. Food. We need food to get energy to work, play, grow, and make our body strong and healthy. Food provides us nutrients, and different nutrients are provided by different foods. Now we know that food gives us nutrients. We get different nutrients from different foods. But what is nutrient? How we will define nutrients? So the definition of nutrients is substances in food which keep us alive and healthy are known as nutrients. Moving on to the types of nutrients. There are mainly 5 types of nutrients. They are carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are also known as energy-giving foods. Its function. By function we mean the role it plays in our day-to-day life. The function of carbohydrate is it gives our body energy to work and play. Sources. Now what are the foods from which we can get carbohydrates? Some foods which provide carbohydrates are banana, sugar, rice, bread and potato. Fats. Like carbohydrates, fats are also known as energy-giving foods. Its function is, fats gives us energy to store for later use. It also keeps our body warm. Sources. Some foods from which we get fat are ghee, nuts, butter, oil, cheese. Proteins. Proteins are known as body-building foods. Its function is, it helps to build muscles. It also helps in repairing the worn-out cells in the body. Sources. Some food from which we get protein are chicken, eggs, pulses, fish, and dairy products. Vitamins. Vitamins are also known as protective foods. Vitamin A, B, C, D, E and K are some vitamins that our body needs. Function. The function of vitamins is that it protects us from many diseases. It also improves our appetite. Sources. Some foods from which we get vitamins are carrot, tomato, citrus fruits, milk and green leafy vegetables. Minerals. Just like vitamins, minerals are also known as protective foods. Calcium, phosphorus and iron are some minerals required by our body. Function. Minerals helps our body in growth and development. Sources. Minerals are found in all fruits and vegetables and it is required in very small amounts in our body. Water and roughage. Apart from the nutrients which we just studied, we also need water and roughage in our body for its proper functioning. Water. 70%, that is 2/3 of our body, is made up of water. The functions of water are: it helps us to digest food, it maintains our body temperature, it helps in removal of waste from our body, and it forms a major part of blood. In the same way, we need roughage in our body for its proper functioning. Roughage. Roughage or fiber is that part of food which cannot be digested by our body. Functions. Roughage helps in water retention in the body. It also helps in removal of waste from the body. So students, with this we come to the end of this video. I hope you find this useful. Remember, this is just the first part of food and health chapter. In the next coming videos, I'll teach you about diseases and balanced diet. Till then, stay at home, stay safe, and keep studying.